This class is called Practicum in Culinary Arts, but we call it Baking and Pastry. And they are learning a more in-depth look at baking and pastry-wise, but more so they're running a bakery business out of our classroom.
Monday, the students are in the classroom and they are introduced to the topic. So for example, last week we started sourdough and we've continued it into this week. They plan a digital menu that will get sent out to staff for them to see. It has pictures, a short description, and pictures of who's making it. In the baking program, they're doing their own research.
So we're really able to take the subject of baking and pastry and then really do it self-interest based. What are these kids interested in? And really let them decide, what do we look at further? What do we really heavily focus on? So they get to choose what they really like. It's really nice to be able to do that.
I like culinary because it's a passion of mine, and it's not just cooking, but it's an art. It's really a way that I can express myself through my food and what I bake.
Well, actually it helps because I can make different recipes for at home with my family, because we get to take home our recipes whenever we make them, so I can make some food for my family.
My favorite part is getting to have these kids a second time. So I get them in culinary arts for 2 periods, and so that's already an hour and 50 minutes with them for a full year. But then I get them a second time, and I really get to develop that relationship with them.
My favorite thing about the culinary baking program is the seniors who choose to spend the end of their day with me. Oh, I love them. They're so nice. They're so fun to be around.